Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I have demonstrated you how to create the model classes. Now, in this video, I have to demonstrate you how to create the DBContext file. So first install the NuGet package that required. Browse Entity Framework Core 7. Install. Then I require one more SQL. Then tools. Okay, now rename this class to my DBContext, my app DBContext. Inherit the class DBContext. Add the constructor. Now set the dbset public db set for author. Add the project reference to author. In this way, I have created the my DBContext file. In the next video, I will show you how to create the genetic repository pattern. Thank you for watching this video.